Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you guys are doing great. And so this week I traded two stocks. One is Dauber and the other one is HDFC Bank. So the Dauber I made loss actually, and on HDFC Bank I made good money. But overall this week I am on a positive side. I made some. I think if you calculate both, it's like 10k profit totally. Not much of a profit, but still. So coming to the topic, Dauber, right? So this is the pattern that I had drawn. Um, Rejection, 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 four rejection at the top, and again almost 4 to 4 rejection at the bottom. And once there was a breakdown, I entered. So where did I enter exactly? uh, this is where I entered. Okay, these two small retrace candles, right? So that is where I entered. And my stop loss was little above the previous candle, this candle, or probably the above the trend line or here. But the story went little different. So what happened is, initially I was in like 2k profit or something, and right after I entered, the Dauber went too choppy and it was not moving anywhere. I lost my patience as I had many works, so I just thought I would just enter with a minimal loss of like 4000 or 4500 rupees loss. So here the mistake that I made is, my analysis was right, my entry was right, my stop loss was right, and my target was also right. I was expecting 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 1.5. It did give more than 1 is to 2. Okay, the problem was I had no patience. So the first thing, if I was too busy, I should not have taken this trade. So this is the uh, key takeaway from this particular trade. And coming back to the HDFC Bank, that was a really good trade. And again, some mistakes. I won't call it a mistake though. So this is the triangle pattern, and after the break, I entered exactly at this area. The moment it showed some bullishness, this candle, uh, this is the candle I entered, and I put my stop loss below this area. And like in next 35 minutes or 45 minutes, so I made like 30k. But there is again some twist. So what happened is, um, I entered here, right? My stop loss is here. It went up to 30,000 rupees profit, but unfortunately the market reversed on Wednesday. I guess Wednesday evening the market reversed at the end, and I had my trailing stop loss somewhere around here. Okay, and it got hit unfortunately, and the profit was just 14,000. Okay, 14k, 14.5 or something. And so that is all I have. I mean, you could ask me, like, you could have booked when it was a 30k profit, but uh, no, I should not close there, because uh, it could just carry on and go, right? So yeah, this discipline made me a loss this time, but on another trade this discipline will save me and make me more money. So that is why I stick on to the trailing stop loss no matter what. And look at it, after the next day there was a huge gap up and then it went above. In terms of daily time frame, it doesn't look that bearish, correct? This candle, although it has wick on the top, it is not that bearish probably. Yeah, but it all depends on the risk appetite you can take for a trade and other things. So for me, I didn't want to take much risk, mainly because I already had a loss of 4500 rupees on Monday. So this trade was taken on Wednesday. Tuesday I didn't take any trade, and Thursday also I didn't take any trade. So just two trades and 10k profits for this week. Okay, so this week we had a really good rally, and unfortunately I was busy and didn't get to trade much. I'll just show you what are the stocks that you could have traded. HDFC, apart from HDFC Bank, that another trade is HDFC. Look at this guy, After the breakout from this triangle, look at this move. Almost 1 is to 4 risk reward setup, and probably you can keep the stop loss here or below the trend line, depends on your risk appetite. And probably your first target could be the high of this candle, and which got hit easily, and then you can carry forward the trade whatever you like. And then we had I bull. So look at this guy. Okay, so you might ask me, either this is correct or that is one in one of anything is fine. At the see another thing I want to explain you here is that if you see something irregular on the bottom, but if you see anything regular at the top, it is fine. Okay, we are just looking here for the breakout. So probably if there is a breakdown, you might have to consider which one is accurate, and you might have to consider if you have to take a long or short. It depends on the breakdown. But here we are looking for only breakout, and look at the move. Probably you could enter here, put your stop loss below the trend line, or enter at the end of the candle, put your stop loss here. Look at the move. Really good trade, and many other trade. I just came across several stocks, and I thought I'll just explain you guys. Although I have recorded all the profits and the losses, it's gonna take too much of time for me to edit out those stuff. So I just thought the education is more important than showing the proof. So I hope you guys don't mind that. If you guys have any other doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Like my videos and share it with your friends. So that would be all. Thank you so much. Have a great day.